Welcome to Dispatch Education. We're Lisa and Bethany, and today we want to talk to you about eating right and prepping to eat right. This is one of my favorite new things because I used to be one of those people who just kind of blindly went through life not planning any meals. Then I learned that meal planning not only saved me a bunch of money, but that it helps me to eat better and get more nutrient-rich meals.
Today we have 3 tips for you to help you eat better through prepping your food. Our first tip is to plan healthy snacks. Now this does not mean that you have to eat dry rice cakes or bland tofu. But healthy snacks, we mean replacing your chips and dip with veggies and dip, or replacing your break room cookies with fruit.
Our second tip then is to plan out a week of meals. There's a lot of resources online that you can use to help you plan. One way that I do this is I plan to cook something, I don't know, like a whole chicken or just cook a bunch of extra chicken all at one time, and then I can use it through multiple meals throughout the week.
I like to do all my prepping in one day, so on Sunday afternoons I like to prepare all the breakfast and lunches for the week. I also make sure that the veggies or anything I have to prep for evening meals are done ahead of time. I will also take anything out of the freezer that needs a day or two to thaw. This makes my mornings so much smoother because I don't have to think about what we're going to eat for breakfast or lunch.
A fun thing that I do is to prep containers that are cute and fun and creative. That way I can grab and go healthy snack items out of them. The containers just make my fridge and pantry look more festive, and it makes me smile when I grab something out of them. And I always have cut up veggies or fruit or hummus cups or other easy snacks that I can just grab and go.
Leftovers are your friend. When you're thinking through your meals, always plan for a portion or 2 extra that you can be used for lunches the next day. When your dinner is ready, take those portions out ahead of time, pack them away, and then you have a healthy lunch for the next day.
That's it. Let us know your healthy prepping tips in the comments below or on Facebook, and we'll see you next time.